Welcome to the next video tutorial from NeoMotion. Today we'll look at how to animate the handwriting of your text in After Effects. Add the stroke effect to your text and check the All Masks option. Next, select the pen tool and start drawing each letter along the path along which you would write it manually. For each segment of such drawing we need a separate mask. When you are done, choose a bright color to see stroke on our text. Increase the brush size until the effect fills all the text. If you see that some edges of the text are not painted over, tighten the points of your masks. Now select the Reveal Original Image option in the Paint Style section. We will animate our text through the end parameter, which varies from 0 to 100%. Put the first animation key at the beginning of your composition with the value of 0 and the second animation key with the value of 100% for 2 seconds. To see the animation keys on a layer, press U, having previously selected the layer itself. You can also select animation keys and apply F9 to them. So our animation will become more smooth and lively. If during the animation you see irregular line breaks, again correct the points of your masks in these places. Thank you for watching. There are even more lessons and projects ahead. Subscribe to the channel and stay informed.